Good morning, everybody. This is another day in Rotterdam, and today, surprisingly, it's not raining. Or at least, it is not for now. It's a bit windy and not that cold, so it's already 1,000 times better than yesterday. Today I have kind of a busy day. I need to pack since I will be departing tomorrow to Argentina. So I think in the city I'm just going to walk a bit around, get some fresh air, and then I'll try a ramen restaurant called Takumi. I'm curious about it because it always has really long queues. So yeah, I wanted to give it a shot. To give you an idea of how much the weather changed, I'm using this jacket, the same that I used yesterday. I'm already sweating. It feels hot and actually maybe even a bit humid. Just the crazy weather in this country. I had no clue that they were making another one. So before I do anything else, I'll get a coffee. I think I go to Dunkin. It's just a block away. Let's see. They still have Halloween stock. As you can see, there are clear skies. So this day is promising. That's like the fourth delivery guy that comes. So not that many people coming in, but a lot of deliveries. So I was checking the weather. It seems it's not going to rain until 4. So I think I'm safe. It's nice to finally be able to enjoy the outside. I'm moving to some place where I can get some sunshine. I would like to say that this is the day that breaks the streak, but yeah, if it's going to rain in a few hours, then that's not going to happen. I think the streak will be finally broken once we get 24 hours without rain. You can see some clouds over there, so you see the storm is coming. Yeah, as expected, the sunshine didn't last for too long. The sun is gone already. I feel like the city should do something about these back streets. There are only storage units, parking garages, and there's the back entrance to the stores. So basically the trucks will deliver the goods on the back, but it's like a really boring street and it's not that nice. They should do something about it. I've been looking for this for a really long time. Now I wonder which one I want. Oh, they have a discount, so that's perfect. I think I'll go with the traditional one. Although winter is coming, so in fact I'll take this one. So finally, after a few years, I was able to find it. I looked at the store before many times, but they never had it. This is the first time that I actually found it, and even with the discount. So that means I'm a step closer to be a Rotterdamer. Okay, so I'm looking for SD cards. The one I have broke and I need a new one, so they should be somewhere around here. I don't see them. Maybe I will just ask. Okay, they should be somewhere around here. Oh yeah. So they don't have the one I was looking for. I was looking for one like this one, but 256 gigabytes. Although maybe I could go with the 128 one. Yeah, I think maybe this one should be enough. The one that I had broke, so I need a new one. So I think the difference between the gold one and the silver one is that the gold one is faster. I'll go ask, maybe they have this one in 256. Okay, so I decided to get this one. I think it's going to be enough. So I found a place where they are cheaper. I'll go check it out. So I'm going to check that other place. I think it's a camera shop, and they should have SD cards. And they have the model that I was looking for, and they seem to be way cheaper. Mediamarkt had some offers, but only on Samsung SD cards. I don't know how good are those, but so I rather stick to a SanDisk. Another reason was that the Samsung SD cards were way slower than the SanDisk. They were way cheaper, but way slower. And I also hesitate a bit because the prices were way higher than what I saw. To me, it looked like Mediamarkt increased the prices so they could just get rid of other variants of SD cards of other brands. I can't believe that they had that one like 40 euros when online you can get it at half the price. So I had some red flags, and some guy at the queue told me if you want the cheaper one you should go to Action. But the Action is not the place where you want to buy a SD card. I'm sure of that. So I started looking online and I saw a photography store that sells the SD cards way cheaper. They are like 20 euros less or so. I don't know if it's because of Black Friday or they are always like that. The page didn't say. I think most people go to MediaMarkt because it's convenient, it's right in the city center, but I don't think they are that cheap. And actually, based on what I saw today, I think some stuff is overpriced. Of course, the best place to buy something is Amazon nowadays, or use the Dutch Amazon called bol.com. But if I order something today, it won't make it on time for tomorrow. So I really need to go to a store. So let's see if going physically to the store I can get the same deal that I saw on their webpage. Some places sometimes they promote their online shopping having discounts that they don't have on the store. So yeah, I'll have to see. It's only a 10-minute walk from here. I think autumn is one of my favorite seasons, especially because all the leaves fall and they make those carpets of leaves and they look really cool. You get all those shades of yellow and orange and even red in some cases. And of course, with carpet of leaves, that's a metaphor, right? It's not an actual carpet, it's just that it looks like that because they cover the ground. Okay, here we are. Let's see if we can find that SD card. So this is the one I bought. I was able to get twice the capacity for half the price. The SanDisk was 40 euros at the Mediamarkt, and on this place that's called Cameranu, it was the Samsung for 256, 20 euros. Yes, and I know the brand is different, but at the Mediamarkt they had the 128 gigabytes Samsung for 20. Basically the same that this of 256 cost me. Also, the guy at the store was really cool and he explained me a lot of things about the SD cards. So yeah, I'm happy. I was able to get twice the capacity for half the price. Now let's hope that the Samsung quality is as good as the SanDisk. I'm getting hungry, so let's go get some ramen. I have to walk for a bit to get there. I think there's going to be another Palestinian demonstration. Yeah, that big ass truck conference. I'll get close, there's some sign on the side. So it says Palestinians are killed every day in Gaza by the Zionist regime, and the number is rising right now. So yeah, this area is going to get busy pretty soon. I just hope they keep it peaceful. So the plan is to have lunch. I'll test the SD card. If anything is wrong with it, I can still change it. Probably the store will close at 4 or 5. And then I'll go back home to pack. This should be forbidden. I wonder how is it possible that they allow tropical birds to be in such cold country like this. Maybe what I'm trying to say is how is it possible that's allowed for a normal person to have such birds and that he can just expose them to the people and show them, exhibit them. So I'm only 10 minutes away. I'm taking a shortcut. This is a square with a very difficult name, especially for my level of Dutch, so I won't try to pronounce it. You will see it written above in the video. There it is. So many options. So I got some vegetarian ramen. It's really good. The broth flavor is incredible. Ask me how good it was. That was so good. More than recommended. So I was looking for a bit before going back home, and I think I'm going to call it a day. I'll go back and start packing.